Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a group call link in WhatsApp. So with this link you can easily share it to your friends so they can join in the call. So I'll show you how you can do this. First you have to open your WhatsApp. If you haven't updated your WhatsApp yet, you have to do that at first. Go into Play Store and update your WhatsApp app. Once that's done, you can come back to your WhatsApp app and then you have to swipe to the right and find this come to the section calls. Once you are in the call section, you have to click on the first. You can see the first option, which is the create call link. You can click on that, and now you can change the type. So if you want a video call link, so if you share this link now, it will create a link for the video call. And now I will change it to a voice call link, and then now you can see this link is now generated. I can copy this link, and now after I copy this link, I can just share it with my friends. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in another exciting video.